How to log into Netflix account. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can log in or sign into your Netflix account. First of all, open any web browser and at the search bar type netflix.com, then press enter to search it. You may also use the application if you have already installed it in your device. Now once you reach to this page, here at the top right you will find sign in button. Click on the sign in button and you will find this interface on your screen. Now here in the first box you will have to enter your email address. And in the second box, enter your password. Make sure you enter the correct details here. In case if you forgot your password, you can recover it by clicking on this forgot password option right here and follow the prompts to recover it. You can also double check your password by clicking on this eye icon right here. Now after entering all your login details, click on this sign in button to access your Netflix account. Once log in, you will be presented with this interface. Here choose the language you want and click on this next button right below. You will also have to select any 3 of the movies that you like available in this page. So in this way you can log into your Netflix account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.